Today on Hunting Grounds.
Sizzle! I think we're getting close.
This experience has been one that I will take with me forever. We tracked down the secret place where the geisha grows and soaked in one of the most beautiful places in the world. We visited an ancient culture successfully adapting to a modern economy and spent time with the ingenious coffee farmers who are leading the way to a specialty coffee revolution. I am convinced that Panama will continue to raise the bar in quality and consistency, not only for geisha varietals, but for other Arabicas as well.